Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to exchange or replace the battery for your smart key. This one is actually for the Tahoe 2019 model, but it's also the same for the Suburban 2019-2020 model. So it is very easy. All you do is you see this little button right here, you push it down, you remove your emergency key, and you can either use a flathead screwdriver or you use the key itself. In this case I'll be using the key itself, and you just put it in here and pry it open just like that. And once it is open, as you can see, it is very easy to exchange the battery. So all you do is you just lift this up, very easy, and then you put in your new one. So this one actually needs the CR2032 3-volt battery. So it's a CR2032 battery, and don't forget the battery is being replaced with the positive side facing down. So push it back in, very easy, nice and easy. And then, and to replace the cover, all you do is you just place it on top, push it back in, snaps back in really tight, nice and neat. And then of course you put your emergency key back in and you're good to go. So that's how you exchange the key, the battery to your smart key. This one is actually for a Tahoe 2019 model, but it can also work for the Tahoe 2018 model and the Suburban 2018, and as well the 2019 model. Thank you. Please subscribe and leave a comment